Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a see-through text on CapCut mobile or how you can create a transparent text. So in here, I have this video and I want to add a clear text into this video. So first you can just start by clicking on text and add text, then just write the text that you want. So I'm going to just uh, write see through text. For example, you can change the style to your liking, the font. I'm going to go with this. Okay, this one's right here. And to make it transparent, you can just go to styles, and here on the opacity, just lower it from 100 to the amount that you like. You can see now the text will starting to fade like this. I'm going to go with 11, and here I'm going to put the text in here. For example, click on the check icon, and that's it. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.